Hi, thank you for your interest in the CureDuchenne Link project. CureDuchenne Link, or CD Link, collects information and biosamples from people living with Duchenne muscular dystrophy and Becker muscular dystrophy, or DMD and BMD, and from people who are carriers for DMD or BMD. Participation in CD Link is completely voluntary. It's your choice and will not affect the care you receive. We hope this consent video will help you make an informed choice about participating in CD Link. You may be a person with DMD or BMD, or a carrier, or you may be the parent or legal guardian of someone who wants to participate. In this video, when we say you, we mean the participant, the person who is affected by DMD or BMD, or who is a carrier, not their parent or legal guardian who may sign a consent form or help coordinate participation. In this video, we will cover 5 topics: CD Link activities, how your samples and information will be used, how your privacy is protected, the risks, benefits, cost, and compensation for participating, summary, and how to get started. When you sign up for CD Link, you are agreeing to do 3 things. First, you'll answer questions in our application, once a year for carriers or twice a year for people with DMD or BMD. We expect answering these questions will take you 30 to 60 minutes. Second, you'll provide us with proof of your diagnosis. Third, you will receive our communications. We will share project updates and inform you of opportunities to participate in research studies, programs, or events that you might want to do. These are the required activities of participating in CD Link. There are also optional activities. You can choose to participate in any, all, or none of these without affecting your participation in CD Link. You can answer additional questions in our application twice a year about your health and life with your diagnosis. You can provide samples, up to 8 teaspoons of blood, depending on your body size, once a year for carriers or up to twice a year for people with DMD or BMD, up to 1 urine sample a year, and up to 1 saliva sample a year. You can donate these samples in-home or near home. Do you have DMD or BMD? You have some additional optional activities. You can allow CD Link to collect copies of medical records related to past and future DMD/BMD related care. We would review the records and enter information into a secure database, removing your name, date of birth, address, and any other identifiable information. You can provide skin or muscle samples, either by donating leftover samples taken for other reasons, like medical care or research, or by having your doctor or surgeon collect a sample for CD Link the next time you are having surgery or a procedure. Samples and information donated to CD Link may be further processed by CD Link partner laboratories or used by approved researchers studying DMD, BMD, or other related neuromuscular conditions. CD Link partners or approved researchers may sequence your DNA, including your whole genome, or all your DNA. Scientists may grow cell lines from your samples. A cell line is a group of living cells that live and grow forever in the laboratory. You won't receive results of any testing done on your donated samples. If at any point you decide to leave the project, any information and samples that have already been donated would be kept for researchers to use. If you join, you will be assigned a unique ID number, replacing your name and other identifying details from your information and samples. That way, no one outside of the project will know who you are. Information is kept in secure systems, and samples are sent to our biobank, a secure laboratory. Researchers will ask CureDuchenne for permission to use the data and samples. Approved researchers receive only the information and samples they request, labeled only with the ID number so your identity stays private. The possible risks from participating in CD Link are: you could feel embarrassed when you answer questions. If you agree to donate blood, you may have mild pain or bruising. Rarely, some blood draws may lead to infection. If you agree to donate muscle or skin, we will only do this if your doctor thinks it poses no risk to you. Transferring extra or leftover tissue does not pose any risk to you. There could be a privacy breach. While we label all information and samples with a unique code, use secure systems, and limit access to only the people who need it, it's possible that there could be a permanent loss of your privacy. There is no cost to you to participate in the study, and you will not be paid to participate. We might send you up to 2 small gifts per year as our way of saying thank you. Your information and/or samples may also be used for commercial profit, but you will not share in that profit. There are no guaranteed benefits to you from participating. In the future, you and others might benefit from research done with the samples or information. To summarize, CureDuchenne is a project collecting information and samples from people living with DMD or BMD or who are carriers. Everyone consents to the project, answers questions every year, submits diagnosis information, and gets project communications. Everyone can donate blood, urine, and saliva. People with DMD or BMD can also donate some skin and muscle samples and can allow CureDuchenne Link to review their medical records. Joining CureDuchenne Link is simple. If you want to participate, here's how it works. On the next page, you will register and provide us with your contact information. After you register, we will send you an electronic informed consent document. You will read and review it, then select the portions of the project you want to participate in. Adult participants and parents of child participants will sign the form and print the name of the person who is participating. Parents, please note the 3 options to show whether your child also agrees with participating. Choose the box that applies to your child and sign the line below. You can watch this video again if you want to. You can also call or email our team with questions. Next, you will complete the first set of questions in the application. Then, you will be asked to upload a document which confirms your diagnosis. We will review it and, once verified, notify you that you are enrolled. Thank you so much for watching this consent video. If you have more questions, please feel free to call or email us using the contact information on this page.